you're as business owners, our customers are expecting to be disappointed. It's kind of the natural status, kind of waiting. It's like, okay, and I don't know if it's always been that way, but I feel like it's that way now, where people, and what I mean by that is they're from the start to finish, they're waiting for your if you're in a service business, they're expecting you to be late.
Yes.
If you are delivering a product, they're expecting maybe it's not going to get shipped on time.
Yeah, they're going to bang up your walls when they're bringing the couch in.
Yeah,
like you
whatever.
Yes, it's true. You wind up with that expectation.
You're like on guard for it, right? You're and I think I think it's a problem, but actually I think if you are aware of it, it's an opportunity.
Huge
right?
opportunity.
Yeah.
Yes.
To show them all along the way, and maybe, even build it into your messaging and your SOPs that you create for your people to follow.
For like your employees to follow or whatever. Yeah.
For your employees, like everything from, okay, you shipped a product, they're expecting it to be not on time. When they open it up, they're expecting it not to do what you said it was going to do. They're expecting it to, if they have a problem with it, they're expecting not to be able to talk to anybody when they call you.
There's no support.
There's no support.
Yeah,
there's nothing.
Right.
We've been Googleized, right? And Amazoned. There's no phone. There's no.
It's true.
There.
Yeah. Right.
We've just grown to expect that. They're expecting when they return an item, if they do, that it's going to be difficult. And when the product is returned, they're expecting that it's going to take a long time to get their refund back. Yes. So that's the opportunity.
You can delightfully surprise your customers.
Yes.
Yes.
You can take that in many cases, it's a minor effort, right? It's better communication. It's not relying so much on procedures that are just baked in, and giving people autonomy to make a decision to solve a problem, which we've talked about on the show a lot.
Yeah.
And, think about I forget what the hotel is that they give everybody who works there has the autonomy to spend $1,000 to make a guest happy or to solve a problem.
Yes.
Well, I often say, hey, how much money would you pay to get a negative review removed from Google or Yelp or whatever? And they look at me like, you can do that? I say, no, that's not the
you
point.
get to do it ahead of time.
You do it before you get the negative review.
Yes.
So when the customer says, I need it overnight, and your natural inclination is to say, oh, no way, man. That's going to be $100 to ship it to you overnight. Well, would you pay $100 to get that negative review removed? Removed, easy for you to say. But of course you would pay $100.
Yes.
So spend it before you get the thing. So just, this framework, I think it's worth talking to your team. It's worth looking at your procedures. If you're a solopreneur, worth looking how you do things, what you do, how you respond to client. Like my business is often success is predicated on how quickly and thoroughly I respond. And I'm always shocked that people are like, oh, I can't believe you responded, And is this?
And it's like, I can't believe my competition did not.
Correct.